Welcome back to AutoNova, your go-to channel for honest car reviews, latest automotive news, and deep dives into the vehicles that matter to you. If you're new here, don't forget to subscribe and join our growing community of car lovers. Today, we're taking a close look at one of the most anticipated MPVs of the year, the Toyota Avanza Veloz 2026. The Toyota Avanza has always been a favorite among families and city drivers, and with the 2026 Veloz, Toyota has pushed the design and functionality even further. At first glance, the new Veloz feels more premium and bold compared to previous models. It features a wide front grille, sharp LED headlights, and a sculpted body that adds a more aggressive, sporty appeal to this family MPV. Step inside, and you're greeted by a surprisingly modern and upscale cabin. Toyota has focused on making the Avanza Veloz 2026 feel more refined, with soft touch materials, two-tone seat options, and a redesigned dashboard. The center console is equipped with a floating touchscreen infotainment system that supports Apple CarPlay and Android Auto, while the digital driver display adds a futuristic touch. Under the hood, the Veloz 2026 is powered by a 1.5-liter dual VVT-i engine, paired with either a CVT automatic or a 5-speed manual gearbox, depending on the variant. It delivers a smooth and efficient drive, perfect for urban and highway use. Fuel economy remains one of its strongest points, making it an ideal pick for both daily commutes and long road trips. When it comes to safety, Toyota hasn't cut corners. The Veloz 2026 comes equipped with features like a pre-collision system, hill start assist, ABS with EBD, vehicle stability control, and 6 airbags in higher trims, offering peace of mind for the entire family. Now, let's talk pricing. The Toyota Avanza Veloz 2026 starts at around $18,000 and can go up to approximately $22,000 for the top variant, depending on the region and additional features. All in all, the Toyota Avanza Veloz 2026 combines style, practicality, and reliability in one solid package. If you're in the market for a feature-packed MPV that's built for modern families, this is one worth considering. Thanks for watching AutoNova. Leave a comment below if you have any questions, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more reviews just like this.